Silver is currently entering a new phase of market structure where sellers continue to dominate the market. And what makes this moment important is that the previous downside target has already been broken, forcing us to identify a new key level for the next trading opportunity. Welcome back, traders. Today we are back on silver, and if you missed our previous analysis, you should check the video on this channel. Now let's break down what is happening in the market. As we discussed in our previous analysis, we were focusing on a key flipped resistance level around $63. We clearly stated that if price respected that level, we would look for a sell continuation towards $60. On the other hand, if price managed to break above that resistance, we would wait for a retest and then look for a buy opportunity towards $67. Now, guess what happened, traders? Price never came back to that key resistance zone. Instead, sellers remained firmly in control of the market and continued pushing price lower. Not only did the market continue selling, but it also broke below our downside target around $60. This is a strong sign that bearish momentum remains dominant and that sellers are still controlling the overall structure. Because of this new price action, we now need to update our key level. If you look closely, you can see that the area around $60 previously acted as an important support zone where buyers stepped into the market and pushed price higher. However, after the recent breakdown, that support has now been broken and flipped into resistance. This structural shift is very important because broken support often becomes future resistance, especially when the market is trending strongly in one direction. That is why the key flipped resistance level around $60 is now our main key level to watch on silver. Now here is exactly what I am watching moving forward. If price comes back to this key flipped resistance level around $60, respects it, and gives us a clear bearish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for a sell continuation, targeting a move down towards $56. On the other hand, if price breaks above this level with strong bullish momentum, then the structure will shift. That resistance will turn back into support, and in that case, we will wait for a clean retest of the broken level before looking for a buy setup targeting a move back towards $63. Market psychology insight. When a market breaks through a major target without giving a meaningful pullback, it usually shows strong directional conviction. However, the best opportunities often appear when price returns to retest the newly flipped structure level. So to summarize everything clearly, silver has already broken below our previous downside target, and the key flipped resistance level around $60 is now our main key level to watch. If price respects it, we look for a sell continuation towards $56. If price breaks above it and successfully retests it as support, we look for a buy continuation towards $63. Now, traders, the question is this. Will silver respect this new resistance level and continue its bearish trend? Or are buyers preparing a breakout that could trigger a larger recovery move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. All right, traders, that is everything on silver for today. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and always let the market confirm your next move. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.